So let me ask you, have you ever been working on an artwork, you're up to that final detailing, and then all of a sudden your airbrush splurts out a bit of water instead of paint? Well, this little filter could definitely help prevent that issue from happening ever again. This is the Sparmax Silver Bullet. This is a little moisture filter for your airbrush, connects to the bottom of it. And you can see here, the Sparmax Silver Bullet is the airbrush's elegant solution to wet and dirty air. The air compressor that powers your airbrush can condense the air's natural humidity into water. The Sparmax Silver Bullet removes this water before it reaches your airbrush. Drier, cleaner air guaranteed. And you can see it's effective for full-size 5 micron filter. Easy to use, spring-loaded drain valve enables quick release of filtered water, and lightweight, ergonomic, and it fits to the 1/8 inch fitting. This fits to most airbrushes. So it comes in a nice little box. Let's go ahead and open it up. And here you've just got a quick diagram, but I'm going to show you how to fit it to your airbrush. So it's not a bad weight. You can see you've got the little bleeder valve there, and if I push on that, that's going to drain the moisture. This part hooks up to your air hose, and this bit screws onto your airbrush. You can also unscrew the top to access the filter, and these can be removed and swapped over when they get dirty, and it's nice and easy to do. Just sits in there, screws back on, and then you just screw the casing back on. Now to hook it up to your airbrush, grab the end of your air hose with the 1/8 fitting and just go ahead and screw the Silver Bullet onto the hose. Make sure it's snug, and then grab whichever airbrush you wish to use and carefully screw the airbrush on. Don't over tighten it, and that is now fitted. Another good thing is you can hold on to the filter for extra stability. This may help when you're first starting to learn how to airbrush, and this will now allow you to airbrush confidently without the risk of getting any contaminants coming through your airline. So it's that extra level of protection. You should still run a moisture trap and regulator, but this will definitely help as an inline filter and the last protection before the paint hits your artwork. So definitely a great little tool. And if you do happen to get any moisture building up in here, then all you need to do is press on that bleeder valve, and that's going to drain any of that moisture out of there. But it's still not going to get into your airbrush because of that filter. So definitely a super handy addition to your airbrush collection.